On this video, I'll give you a complete tour of everything there is to find in BoomCity Fireworks located in Memphis, Tennessee. Then I'll show you how I lit up and my reaction on my first time use of fireworks in my life here in Greenville, Mississippi.
He's going on a trip around the country, all 50 states.
This now open sign on the top of Monster mobile car is really catching a lot of attention of many people. It's my first time to enter this building, the BoomCity Fireworks. People inside are very friendly and would answer any questions you have for them. It's also 24 hours from the 1st of July all the way to 5th of the month. So enjoy! This is my first time to buy a fireworks like this. This costs about $47.99. Yeah. There you have it. I bought it for about $37 after some discount. Now I'm driving back to Greenville, Mississippi, which is about 4-hour drive. Then at home, I look on the box and I saw this QR code, which is very helpful. By just using my iPhone's camera and scanning that QR code, I'll be able to view the video on YouTube on how the fireworks would look like before I even light it up. Now that's the portion that you have to light up. This is my first time to use fireworks. I had a wonderful first time experience of using fireworks. Thank you guys for watching.